Yamagana for ni atiefo nyina kwa ba Africa sebo no awia yede ebre wo no emu enkyeremu enie mene wo ekasai se wopie mu ewo enkrapumpure mantamu a police headquarters court wo hono mo gender based violence court na court no atenase ama court no kyerem se wo soja ni bia wanya mfinhia no aduasa enwotwe ne din e de Richmond Kwakulu Trot court ekyerem se won konkoda afiase afe baako ani abosum nsia ne nyina no ene se won ankasa na yire a wore ne tie no wo kyene kyeda mu a wo bo ne se kumfum fighter wo bo ne papa enya sam ketua ho ene soja ni a wakota kwando akosua karat ne yire so ana ye rehearsals nti ene court se wo ho de a fa kwboa Ghana ban na eye Richmond eye Kwakulu Troti ne wife ana ebo eye nikuna mane se abranti a ne din ede Francis Atasi abahanomo na Francis amane bo nyina no ene se wo osojani a wo ye mikunu wagili sika sa obeboa no se wono nso ebekọ eye soja no mu ebie na nso ahwani mu a ifiti bra wo gili sika no soja no mu nso wonya mu kwan kwanti no abranti Kwaku Francis ba ha no in fact na ne buafu panti we de mi wura wadawro ma se ampani ampa se wagi se sika no adidi a ene ye besere wada bo moden sa abranti no se wontime moa no ema won kodi soja ne bie se de wo ye soja no a fa ne sika ema no na eno na maami kire se wo bra wakan sa no ene ye soja ni na beti abose akura se watermelon wati se ne yire so ene ahade ya hamre wo bo no papa ne so kire se enya asam ketwa na no ana branti am no kasai kane na wo ya accused se de wo ya convict a wo ye soja ni Richmond Kwaku eye Lutroti wo bra ni kopie mu e wo court no ene ye kwadu a ya de abo no enya asam ketwa ne nyina no ene se wo mu kirem se we no eye domestic violence and physical abuse wa emunsam eno no na wabra ni gina mu ewo court no wabra ye de san kwadu we nyina ebo no se wabo na yire no ano wade to eye court no anim se woni fo wakwan bia so na no ana court no bia nsam nyina mo no eye trial judge anase wotemu afo wotina dam ewo court ho no mo no eye Dora Inkumsa Eshen wade to Ghana wo kirem se abrantie se wo ye soja ni na mpono Ghana Armed Forces mo nhyehyɛ ye ne se wo mo yire na ye hwɛ ye wabo yire no me paate wada Ghana mra adi wonti ne kwai na koda afiase na court no ehye eye Kwakulu Trot se nyame aya domo a wontua a fine of 5,400 kane no 54 million wonfa ema ne yire no se wo tomudi ana kyerɛ se wo kwa kodam abosum nsia afi nso court no ahye wo soja ne se Ewraba no ne medical bills nyina no wontua ano nso lebo no 6,464 ano nso so wotua nyese wotua ne keke wonfa ehon receipt emre court no na court no hunu sampa medical bills no no ade tuaye afi nso no court no ama order say eye wo soja ni anedi ede Richmond Kwakulu Trot no afi nso no wontua compensation patasika eye 6,036 million wonfa ema 60 million wonfa ema ne yire no na ebra court no tenase no prosecution team anasa kwadoboni chief inspector Opoku Eniejei ano di to Ghana wo tirem se Ewraba no bibi nti admidi ahinta kakra wanya emfinhia no aduana 40 years na woye old musician a wateka aswa sadan so ana Lutrot nso obi a watetashi camp barracks na wo mo ekirem se complainant no ekirem se woni ni kuman soja ne no wo matena emfinhia ensianie na emom ebade ebi entime ebemu na nso no bia no ayade sa brantie yi wode na yire no adane ponchen bag e wo fi akire se wo bo ne benkum nifa center front back nyina wo bo no akire se anya sam ketua na no ana September bosome no eye emfinhia mpenu ene aduonu ebaako no emu 2021 no ayade se abrantie ne din ede Francis Atasi eba fie na wo ba ye no wa metu soja ne no na emom obeto na yire ana waka kire nse maame wadaro ma asumdwe kan presi mu waje so amen ana so kunu ba ka kire ne se waje misika so wade mbekọ soja na so bepem ne meda so ahye mufti me nhye uniform ni bida enu ntine ka kire okunu se achadedo enu nti okunu ba bona mane na enu na waba wo pe okunu ni kunu ne ba ye no ana wo bona mane se mi wura oh correct sir we dey do before complain bi anim Kwaku Francis ene Francis adatia ba ha se waje musika bi enu nti fo musika ma wo mufiri se wo ka se soja no mbekọ na so wo monkoi na no ana wabra na yire no ebo ni kunu amane no ene ye kire se bufu abanti wo soja ni fu atwade se ayi kaya yefuo ka hiri ene kofupa wade yire ne yire ya no so epo ama se na yire no kokokura wontimi numbi wadwiri ne sinyina gumu akyeresa nya asam kotua na no ana wabra asam ne baye no wokobo asojafo na mane eye military police ema military police ka se da bi wo no arrest nka wo madwuma ho nti ye ma wono medical forms se wonfa enko eye domestic violence and victim support unit eye dofsu e won kran na no ana dofsu fo nso ema no police medical forms se wonfa nkwa ya asabia na no na police fo kwa yire eye Lutrot Richmond eye kwakua me ne wokasa ni kopiem e wokoto akoto se wonkonkwa biem afe ene abusuminsia na woba that's what they do before complain ekwa na yire so a pa bobonyom wasikowa nikowa kwadwa di obewo ne bewo praise
hallelujah
de asiru no
se ohwe kwakulu trot ya na mo awatu no okonya na mo pa na me de ne mfie na mo de ma na me hu sisua
1.5 this
one and a half
ka hanka be sen
nsanya hwe kwaro ma na be de se 10 bia ankaye na bia court no so hwe se wono oba ne tinti e bia na obehwe oba no nti na bia akoba ne sei na emu oya ohun se ensem no kura no pe de waken kan kire se wono kura no oba no kura ho yo
da bom ni ba
ene odi ni mpamro sa enye fine ohun se be bia wo no osra ni mu a wagentete pa saa na wonnim mra no ade ntene se obeyesa
wonim se Ghana ha wo ho
okon
ye wo emema hoduo mienu a wo no eni kwa akura se wo tonsa e kire wo ba so de di nkan osojani de otoso mienu bia obo akuturuku boxer se wo ye boxer na anase bia wo ye bia obo wrestling na wo yire ekobo kwa du se empo wo de won satia na kan no a ye bejelu because you wait as a boxer, as a military officer, as a wrestler. Now we got to such a wabanwa. One monocrowd, but oba level that allegation against you as a boxer, as a military officer, obey them.
Some running with you. Of course, I am a course of Krum how. Do na be crowd Krum has say, Ocean and Mobile Mutu. Any or more crumple, be crumple crowd, where you puna trick a campo. Near Papa, guess he be a small Krum Hanama. Ah, Humate. India besre ya mam rani nya adwuma na se be yemfo obuoma ye ho afiri se oba ne mfempa de esua de pa na oba be na wo ankasa wakwa afro de obi o hwe nsem ya wa obi sika fasika na ma na wanya fa ne ko adwuma nim so a wontimi uni capacity se obeboa na ya fa na adwuma nso de a oba na boa ma na fa ne sika ma na ya papa no so sika na o mesi wo mfa mpesa mpata sika ne kura isu akura 6000 isu akura
Kwadwo Sammy hwa ma beti wa hwehwe mu a ho oba ka me mbese meto mensam kwa mtu ani pa bewu
se ohun se wono se de body ne tie no se hoden be ma ya boda ndi hoden panti no to e be ha
ebe nti kufitera no paso atrese wo befu ana
se kufitera na ngasa amze de bia no pe wa hwe ase na wonya se wo ka se de wo si bi ka wa beti sa no wa beti na o ka na sa na e na
ma ahwefo ani atiefo mra Facebook e mehwe sa betire we ye de bo ba
media de me nka me de ho asemti
na wo utua mientras Kwadwo
ya to akase ya bono so na president e de ma Ghana semtrefo nka womkuo eya Albert Kwabradwonfo wakase kirem se aban lawyer penin me kire attorney general enimani munyama no homoden na ne owu a ekwan hodo e fa so ma Ahmed Swali ekwehye ne kwafiri mkwawo my Ghana mu anipa bonefo bi eto se ne so ekunu ya no momoden mahwehwe mu entimeda de free say sana mo na ekoso no ha dwinyi pan rode se wonyina today kirem se nansem ho na beto dwase ne o my Ghana ne ajamanyofo bi e papa nsem trefo asom okrum ha no ma emu oya pa ne senti sana moto na ekoso no enya de se mpanifo tena ho no do monsa ehye omdefrum edemni fam eya di hwa so ma my Ghana ya papa nsem trefo asom sa rode se wonya de tudwa e wa mra na Ghana nsem trefo nka womko wonu mdo mu fish na etoso eya biosonum e pa ho ntoma ba ho moden ane e kasa ho dwumadi ekoso e wa framanta meche mahin krokrom eye hom ene se ne dwomfo e kasa no kirem se ehu behia pass ye koya nim no o man Ghana mpanifo do mka biewom titiri betimi ya boa na ensema hodo wa efa Ahmed eye soale ni wonu ho no mpanifo timi ya boa ma tenten ne yatuma ya adwuma firi se obrante ye wuye no mfinje makoma enum ni bepem sambre enya de mpanifo atena ase atiwe hu de enti anam so na afin so enipa bonofo efa mo nsa so Ahmed soale no otimi ewu se owu ye enti no ototo sere se Ghana ban mo ho moden no ne semtrefo nka mko no enyi kaso bom na mommoa na munya hwehwe mapa ebefa so enviso my Ghana semtrefo to ma ho bambo ehu hia pan ne senti na dango agufu ad Ghana ban mo ho moden se obetimi ya bona semtrefo o ma ho bambo nsem no etimeja ne naso brane okasa no say kire me say Ghana this year bia wonnim Ahmed Swale ni wonu hu bi mo maden say processing bia ban fa ko ja wono mutumi mo ayen hwehwem ne ntumi moa na Ahmed Swale na oyen sem training obon ho moden hwehwem ahodo e de for ma Ghana prane kankan ho a nipa bonofo bi kodi na ewo no yentumi ente say nipa kwa fa enkonko gina emra ano ojemre ene central for kasaye emu nkire mu ni.
We also wish to use this platform to approach the Attorney General to expedite action on the Ahmed Swale murder case, a single issue that keeps affecting the position of the media on the word press freedom. Yes, traditional media cannot only survive but also thrive alongside new media by adopting and evolving their strategies. These are some of the strategies that I think can help traditional media survive in the future.
Eni a woti ye aye president Edma Ghana nsamtwerefo nkabomkuo ne den ede Albert Kwabena Dwumfo
yento awia pramtebra kasebo no eso bomode saudo message ebesia yan ewo yen Facebook no so a eye DLFM 106.9 yento akasebo no so wate na yenko yenim na wopani ba ko a wo ye senior lecturer ewo University of Ghana Business School ne di ede Professor Gordon Abeka Nkroma wada to da akyerem say eye non-communicable diseases I can say NCDs no we kyerem say we no enya medication eye lifestyle eye abrabo ene kwan a kyerem say kwan nipa bi fa so mbo omo bra e wo krom ha no no ena nam so a eye non-communicable diseases no eto atesa se o my Ghana ye to ase a entimi enye yie na wone ensamtrofa kasa na etripo da so eye non-communicable diseases the silent killer ya wada no enra ana wotirem say yeti wo memu a kyerese ehwe Ghana fo mabunu ehwe abrabo bi aye bo kyerese wotirem say san nyoma no ene abrabo bi aye wo mu no eno ka ho bi ana non communicable diseases no say eto atesa Ghana yentime anya ho hwe na mbom asa wo man no yenka ho hwe ye de ne say ye betena se ya ma ya de no abawie no na ye de nipa na kwakoto aduro so ana wotirem say we no a lifestyle name no enya medication asem kra wotirem say ebrason say empanfo akabie wonum stakeholders ebi any Ministry of Agric and afenso no Ministry of Education wonum ebeka bom na wonum aye nkyerɛkyerɛ pa asisa yade na no kwa free say ade a ha wo my Ghana ye papa Professor Ekasa no wotirem say ye can non communicable diseases no a enya se bi wo ahiafo nko yade ananya esikafo nko yade obi atimenya enu nti ebraso say wo my Ghana no ye nyina ye kambo mu na ye to ase nye sade a ebe ha dwe da chibi pam wakasa no emu nkyeremu enie.
So for instance we have argued that NCDs are the next pandemic. Okay, how are we communicating NCDs to the elite who have the power to make decisions when it comes to resource allocation, say the Ministry of Finance, say cabinet? How have we communicated NCDs to them? Do they see NCDs as the next COVID which is coming up, which may necessitate the president having fellow Ghanaians every fortnight and having meetings all over the place? So the way we package this message and carve it around their own incentives in terms of how this determine their electoral fortunes would be very, very important, because these are the very things that sort of tickles them to reallocate to create the necessary policy shift. For instance, if it is about regulation to be able to push down the junk industry, and if it is regulation to raise new taxes. Think about it. COVID, we came up with 1% levy and still pay. And we still pay, and we all paid without, because everybody saw what COVID was doing. And so we need to think about it this way.
Na wapani anu si yano anu wasade ta atuobi mse class 1 ni any school bag ana wochire mse adia ba kwa nko man Ghana ye betimi dia faso nanka eye non communicable diseases ne yetu ase pam eye nhihye bi aban we di ba ye planting for food and jobs no wochire mse saban manani ko ho a san yarwa hodo ye kan ho asem ye betimi agina san hye no so etu ase.
Let's talk about planting for food and job. It was a big policy. We all talked about it. But I think that is a lost opportunity. Planting for food and jobs could have been aligned with an NCD strategy such that households are being supported with subsidized organic fertilizer, seedlings, and being given the education and training, that education does not mean you should come to my house. Think about, they were doing math and science something on TV. There can be state sponsoring that, teaching people how to do home gardening. Kwadwo, if you come to my home in University of Ghana, there's, the dispenser bottles. I just cut them and just get soil into it. And when you come, I'm planting almost everything. I have people can do, even those people who are using the tiles, they can still plant basic vegetables. Okra can grow very well in that. Cocoyam can grow very well in that. Garden eggs will grow in that. And so it's not an issue of saying it is just 5 cedis.
Enti eni ayati ye a senior lecturer at University of Ghana Business School. Ne din edo obinfumu okunin Gordon abekan kroma ana wechirem say o ma Ghana ha yetie ene efia hodo nyina no ya tale ho baabia ne ho no mo a wo betimi kura mpo edi se bio amako anasa sabolai amadai chese sabolai and can never lie ti Kwadwo
Okon
do you know sabolai
na dia matie but me shedai
Kwadwo dia wotin kra ha yedai wonim sabolai
da bio
na wonim amalai
okay,
trao.
But I say papa na can or come who say a muda ho. One we say planting for food and jobs and on or come. Uni mi senka and penny for money who ye na Ghana for ye so mu ya. En kenenia ho do my hiani ye benya. Enti no ekobase ye didie mu nke ye behwe ye didie mu ye free say. Nneema hodo a ye greens and boy ma ya pomodie ni sisisu ye. Na so na me say ye hwe ye nuane die mu ye na aduane na ngase ye ni bi enti ye kwakra. Na Ghana ni kwakra aduane afra mo na de aba aduane be na okofa de aba. Enye mo. Yo. Nti ehu hia. Yale obi o hwa ye san ketiti sra ye ho saa o. Nanso ye didie mu a ye nya aduane pan ye enti.
Se Kwadwo se ba bia hoten se o wasase kakra bi wo fie hwa ho. Ye adua sabolai. Na dua amo. Na dua anyon. Do you know anyon?
Aden, Jenny de Semini.
Now him sabolai.
Sabolai, dear.
Okay.
We na exercises or umudia. Exercise umudia.
Would you him sabolai? My mentor and cry. Now was council and not what to alumte. With him ako kushi.
There be
Yan what do you ako kushi? No, what do you akushi kakra? Na why ye ka kakra unim ka nga
any minute
no wonya branso na wa keep olufun kakra nso ofie
medas me ye ne sa
enkra na me kire no
no na me nyanti asienti na ye hia wa kire ha
me small bu what Kwadwo to aso
yantu akase abo no so afo a oda employment and labor relations ano Ignatius bafo agua wakasa etimzesi yakese no National Pensions Regulatory Authority for etwedi aka ne se NPL for bomoden amakwan se ne Senate for 60% shares on person modane edema yes a Rock City for no ekwan adam so edura bienti ezi amekasa nkratasam no ayekra donti nkita hode ne betimi akoso ye pan na eye dwumbo so na toso aduonu nwotwe ena NPL for bomoden eden nkrata ba bonten so ka kire Ghana for say Senate for kita hudi a wonum edi omane Rock City for pese omdom hotels mako nan de ma wonom no ebe ye omtwensensen free say nkrata asam ne nkita hudi omudie ne nyade emuda honti omtwensensen de sia mekese na ndura de na jeze ne ekwamu bie na ne opani a ne den ede Ignatius bafo awu akopie mu masebadwam eno bize ne sia ye kese no wo ka kire eye Senate for sen nkita hudi no omtwentwen so sesi opani bafo awu a ekosi sen na mzo opani mo bi kapa ensam de hyembo pa eno kase o chemzi ya kasa no nkrata sam bibia de ding Senate for ena afin so Rock City for nkita hudie ni bibia to ding tata sama ya ready ni santi sesi amekase mo makwan se bibia nto din na nkwa ni mu pa o kase na o kire mi se edum pempezo mo ka kire o mo se Senate for ntwentwa so ni nyina ne se Senate for no ho akwanya se o betimi ya hyenje se ya se de nanso no wonum na mo ye Regulatory Authority for betimi mo kwan no mo hu ni se yes nkita hudie o mu die ni nkrata sam bibia gyana na so nti na mbo amade sans ede sans hye ne beto dwa se ye kese de bibia to din a emla na ma ho kwan se Senate for and afin so Rock City for no emo ho modern esi amekese mo hotels mako nan ne de bibia nto din na muntimi emfama Rock City for blana champion na da my Ghana ye kohwe ye kura yeso no ne nsantumi kana fa ne dwuma free sense hye no bibia ato din e de ma wonom waje mre e kasa wo mrese bedwam emu nkire mu nie
NPRA came up with a directive, but I will appreciate if my colleague really read the directive from MPRA. It said it needed to be furnished with all information relating to the sale of the hotels, which SNIT has since done that. So it wasn't like a direct business that SNIT should not go ahead to do anything, but then SNIT can only go ahead when MPRA, which is the regulator within the field, had actually certified that they had seen all the documentation and the processes and they think that they are good to go.
Honorable, please conclude your answer.
So, as a minister, I can tell you on authority that NPRA has since indicated that they have seen the processes and they think that it can go ahead.
Any awuti swafwa or share employment, labor and relations on the down no. Nidin Eddie Ignatius Bafwa Ewa.
Yentu akasiabano so na yenkai Ghana for messages ne kakra edoso no nti ayana yatia gufom enkakra na bibia nso etimi akoyie pam ewo yen Facebook no eso na mamensha siensei na odoi edifretema ana wose kasiabano edemo papa atrese anya asam ketua yadase na Asante Emmanuel ana wose DLFM news. In fact, I am watching you live from okay, was it a great job? Yeah, that's it. And I cake in South Africa, so and was it good citizens continue to support. I am on some young can want some number 3. Now, Frank Segwe, any DJ Cyrus, and was it good afternoon. We'll take us a one papa, and was said there is no official leader who can compare himself to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah in Ghana. Yo, yeah, that's it. Ana chances in South Africa so and was say kase one dem papa wakaso anya sam ketua Anna Doris Chum was say the news is loud and clear ewo insawam dobu na was offer I like you too much menso I like you so much ya anya sam ketua na Yayira Asari and was say good afternoon offer woni Kwadwo Sammy kase bonu mu de pa emu de na enen mu ni kongonta na yo what see you do all and was say you are from Shy Hills. Yeah, that's the papa yeah Shy Hills for and Eyewitness Multimedia Ghana and was say kase bonu loud and clear papa was say we when live one adwempa hini with sempa and was say exclusive news every day. Men, let's respect our wives because they always help us enjoy on the dining table. Yo yeah that's it. You better can duane na Ibrahim Garba with the free Kenya and also the free Oyo Kukofodia and was say kase bon dem ewo ho na brapani bosu kenna US Information Center your friend Charles Mante was Okogyeabour me de kase bon nammu wode nammu as say was do Donald Trump feature ho ya da se papa brapani Charles Mante and was say the news is loud and clear na pressing na also watch so hallelujah was say let the news flow ya da se brapani ya da so ho ana hwan ye Joseph Bessa and was good afternoon Okogyeabour when Kwadwo Sammy. In fact, I am listening to you live from Adansegi, Chairman Block Factory. The soldier man did not try at all. We're enjoying the news, Papa Yadase. Fantastic Wilberforce and was say we take us a bonnet life for Pam. Now happy birthday Enquires Jones Nana Kweku turn his 2 years today. Na yadase papa nyame wonsrawo sene na wanya mfinhia embienu Jones Nana Kweku tano yadase ana Kofi Parliament with the free Agona Bubikuma and was say Ghana belongs to all. Let's apply wisdom in everything that we do. Live from Agona Bubikuma ana ya Ousu was it DL News more fire live from Asokwe Kumasi was say alignment center new road total filling station was say kase boni demo papa ana me wofa say my mom Belinda with the free adenta ne baye was say good afternoon wofa wono wofa say Kwadwo Sammy awahwe asese team nature set kam na man wo so da bia kasa asemi Kwadwo MCG idie
Linda no ho sa no be catch was asabia na wo sa no enyem nwanwa
so be kasa wo che no
enyem nwanwa enyem nwanwa go na sa na se de tie na yakuti abono na ode bo me no me hwe na sa na sa de na yakonu se na yemi na obo makuti
se ntini ya se de ya wone kuti pompo ni ato abasa ko mu pen no Kwadwo
oko
onsro den chemu
exactly so mo nyina chi ayawre nsinse ya
that's right na ana wase Kwadwo nti se wunim sabola uti krom ha wunim onion ana hoti alado Onion,
Jenny.
I find a sabolai.
Jenny, I am a friend in
Sabolai.
Na se kufitela wankanje me.
Na kufi ono Andrea Jan.
Oh, what's what kasa ni nyina?
Oh, chiake. Dear bay. Me say ahame na me ye tolo. Gatolo.
Me nka hwe na ye de enumre. Kole na benya.
Ono ka yese osuye bi firi me ho. Yeah, we are the mebre okrom ha. Ma me nto akase ebo no so na me nkom animu ate. Ye to akase ebo no so a Cyber Security Authority e de abetu dwa kirem say we any de di nkan ya. One of the accreditation, any operation license, any ama cyber security service providers, Mako edunum ebako 51, ewa Ghana hanomo a womo so boa, ama se bio chrono, any infeni mo asemo a yebo ewa ntinta kese so no, ye ba betu ase, na wonom echirem se, wobra enwa adwumade bi ko so no, ewa nkran ha, ana eye 51, eye players ni nyina no ye ma wonom accreditation any license say wonom emfa enye dwuma na director general e de Emma Cyber Security Authority eye Dr. Albert Ntwibosi wo bra wo kasa na wo kire mu SM sesi aye kasa yi eye cyber security service providers mako 226 ana me no kasa mpanefo register wonom a wonom di eko enkratem sadan so ana 56 cyber security establishments and also meno kasai empenfo edi to mekrata ama wonom ana 1353 cyber security professionals ana meno kasai so empenfo ama wonom emutumin na wotirem say emu 3.1% pe aye registrants no ana meno kasai womo etimi meet requirement ya ehu behia si etimi ema wonom eye adwuma cyber security service providers ana afenso accreditation na Dr. Ntwibosi akunkasa no wotire mu se wo kenkan section 4K ana afenso no 49 57 any 59 Emma Cyber Security Act 2020 Act 1038 no a cyber security for asade se wonom ebe regulate cyber security service providers e wo Ghana ha na wo mutwumadi a wo mudie ni nyina so no etimi aboa wo man Ghana emunsam enie.
I hereby take this opportunity also to caution the other service providers, establishment and professionals who are offering the service without a license. As a matter of fact, as I said, we believe in discipline. We believe in compliance. I think we've allowed a certain time to engage, to support, to debate, but we are moving into a phase where we're going to take action. And those actions are provided within the law with a number of avenues available to us. We may begin publishing institutions two ways who are in good standing to offer cybersecurity in the country. We will equally publish institutions who are offering cybersecurity services without what? A license. We will. And those records will be there. Nobody will challenge the authority to remove them. They will be. You cannot. The law makes it clearly that you cannot offer cybersecurity services without a license or accreditation. It is our expectation as authority that during the National Cybersecurity Awareness Month this year, we will have the industry forum also launched. That will become a point of contact. All of you, by default, are going to be members of the industry forum. And that is where decisions that borders on the industry will be taken. That is where, when there is an event for cybersecurity and we want the industry to be participating, it's not individually selecting institutions. It goes the industry work. Already, African countries are looking up to us. But we have some plans also to further discuss with you. They want these guidelines to replicate in others there. And our consultants here are going to what? Help them establish those processes. Then it means a Ghanaian who is accredited can just be on a flight, arrive in Kigali or Maputo and offer hot cybersecurity service.
Enia yeti yeyi Director General ede Emma Cyber Security Authority no Dr. Albert Ntwibosi ane kasa ye wo ba ye Facebook no so a wonso betim do message no abra yan DLFM 106.9
yantu akase bono so ye monfanwura mu ewo Chamber of Cement Manufacturers Association of Ghana wono na mo ya de hia jeze my Ghana mo ye cement emeja amanfonya bitodi si wo madan wono mo akase kiremu say legislative instrument e twanitia e kan say LIA eba ba ye mra na identitensa ba wonom na ba kira wonom ebo amfa mo cement ebo mfa nje no mu kiremu say we de eye all constitution agese emfamra kwa mu kran na wodi se mo de tudwa e wo mra oswafo a ohwe adwadie e na afin so mfiridwuma so ono kura na ye adanse asokwa mase bedwane honorable Ketiamon ebo moden anano bede twam yi etabiri nkratasem ene ko pio me se bedwom ka kira wono se dia duro no Ghana de sha mo ye cement o man Ghana mu no de mo pe na wono mo ye cement ne boa mo pona mo de genti Ghana de hye no ebre ene e ka hu me Ghana de hye ntumi ha dan free se efi ewura fo da hu cement no ne bo na kosuro nti ne dan ya wote mu no se ne papa kwa ewudi ja ne mpo na wato do boom te Ghana fo ebre pan eno penin ani den eye onu yesiwo edema yezene Ghana de hye wonom eye cement eye George eye Doxson eye Amwa wakasa ejiremu se sa emra opene ne di ketiamon epese wode ba no kirem se enya de eye adwuma emo akorafiri se emfa emra kwan mu kran wode se wonya tudwa emra ne de se omne Ghana de se omka biewom mekire stakeholders consultative forum ekọ so na wakasa kire omo se dabi wo hwe emra na ketiamon pese wode ba no cement eye na oman Ghana mu no enema hodo wode ye ne ekwa ma no ekwafa ne ma ne de ba Ghana cedi nso ahwe ase wa mansan dwa so ase one je se ne $US ekosi akan a na wabuato o kirem enya de ha adwen yipa afi nso ukopiem wo porto nso a charges na boa ye den wo muntumi nyi niama we nyina ka ho bi na ma cement na mo ya na ne bo na kosoro no na muntumi nso na ma we ya no na mo de mra ba kekere ye de na mo pese mo kire ye se ne senti wo kirem a sa na ma wa ketia mo etuo no onyan efiri se de oye no e mo akra e mu kirem nie
eno akra ye ka wasam kwa ninjina so no a so gina so no enye papa se ye tia ye kan bi wo parliament ye tia se airline no eye instrument bi a se eba outer ese nya njina so bi etumi njina ho ene bronu beka say it has to come out of a parent act and the way we should have parent act now on by na ye Ghana Standard Authority omo act bi no 2022 1078 omo njina say ne section 80 na go hear njina so na e ka bibi say at the time any advertisement sales and advertising na sales and advertising we price they are different so it means when njina so na we njina so anya correct and anything is just unconstitutional and we say we don't need even to discuss it because I didn't as be at say unconstitutional it's njina so man can say yes say unconstitutional. I hope this heading will be like that.
Any awoti chief executive officer at the Machema of Cement Manufacturers Association of Ghana ne den at the Dr. George Dawson Amwan enwachi ena mpanifo ahodo amba mmade kopie modwumedie na se omoka biewom so ejemre ene semtwerefo edi ho nkomo
I say sisi ano otie manufacturers na almost forest exchange no ha mo bi almost demorage ha mo bi because Okogyeabour space no eswanti no so clear na so space ni ho nti no cargo no ewo po no so 5 days 6 days 10 days asana obekele time no do obekele no almost demorage achi no obetua $20,000 per an hour or per day or what have you until just put them together on say ni nyina ewi etiamu ekotiamu petroleum products amodie production ni nyina ekoti exchange rate man send interest rate or market lending rate ni nyina ekuti amu enti omo the factors bebre e dia tujua ekuti amu enti say aban betimi ahwe sa niama no baku a ejiri say ebeboa omo man send price no ebetimi abafom
anso na aban edi mran beba no onu mo nhia andi ho abobo what because secondary engagement onu nhia ni ho abobo nti say omo ho na aban edi bibi aba ade nso a ebe affect you no anka say from the onset ebem
eni awoti ye wono ma moka biewom enim hyehye yahodo a efa cement ne ye ene ho adwedie ho ena wote se wonom kire wonom adwen no
yento akase ebo so na ye mo femwuram ewa manyosemu ekakra sesei wopani ba ko anenam eho apaso a Ghana fo etewie saprawanam eye Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempa Asabere MPP amanuko no wono ana ye yini se Frank Ocran Nhyiraba de akira running mate woboa na no koyi ni ka kire se nya asam ketwa ko gina simpie ni apaso ko to ayampia e ma kwa menkroma wawuo dadada wo destroy bullet e wo funda kamu a na kire se nya asam ketwa obra na po e kasa no ne nsem wo kan nyina no ene se efiti kwa menkroma e bepem ena yeti hoi he mampani bia ni ho no mo a wo betimi de ne ho atoto mampani ekufu ado na mpokura no o my Ghana mo kwa menkroma no wono kura wo nu ba bia na sebio e ba kesesemu a abo asere wantimi mfa no ntoto hippopotamus enti eba ne san ana ye ka obi a wabɔ mmɔden ama Ghana atu mpon a ye kɔbɔ ɔno kwa amenkroma ne din ewo mu saa asɛm no awurade akwese fufu afra to abosia mu ato aba papa ato aba o ato aba na ba ne bia ato no ene se Ghana fo kyerem se papa wa nkasa yie na sɛ Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempa wo mu ade efe ni masam ye ne de wo ya hantan wo ye dwe wo ya arrogant dodo na sɛ bio sɛ ope obi edna toto mampani akufo do ho a adenti na wasaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah wonu nti na Ghana te ase na wono na sebio okoto na yampia e wasimpie ni apaso na emu baako eye emrahye badwani a wate abanwa so de ma elembele yewura Emmanuel Amakofibu a wachirem se wo hwe emfinhia makoma nwotwe a Ghana fo e de ama NPP ene mampani akufo ado Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a wono na pose se wo yewura na mate no a won tire ne nsa entira ade baako a wo kire se wono mo aye Kwame Nkrumah enyeye e wo wiase wo tirem se ase tume no aburo napo ana afenso no MPP fo aburo wono mpasa petition wo prengo enu ntise bi oso mugina simpie ni apaso a wo nsam a wo moka no sanka eye bode ade anka ewo ni aba ababi anim na wo tirem se efiti 2017 ana Ghana fo de tume ema mampani akufo do Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any MPP fo wo montimi ma emfinhia nwatwe no so mamfaso ma Ghana fo nembom emfaso ba ko a Ghana fo anya ene ekom ateatea kasa twitwie ene obu a yemfa manipa enu ntise ne se wo probid na nima twitwi fo a anka mampani akufo do krati wachi na nka ado no anka sene nima twifo mfiri se wono ene se bi mampani a wabedi Ghana so otwa Ghana fo adapa na wama Ghana yanim gwase abeda adie nti eba ne se na akoba Kwame Nkrumah de wetirem se sa asamo a na poka ye no ayatem didie kase a ene kwasa Ghana fo yeso so ofiri se papa no wotumfo kura to no fo nso wantie wo mu ade na em se bia aye no me na danso.
The legacy of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is unmatched. Today, if we start talking about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, we can talk about a region that frankly was not his stronghold and talk about the legacy he left there. Let's talk about Shanti region and what Osajifo did. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital, Kumasi Shoe Factory, Kumasi Central Market, the road, Accra Kumasi Highway, and many other things that he did in the Ashanti region. This is just one region I'm talking about. If we talk about his monumental achievement in the country, it's unmatched. After more than 60 years, today, over 30% of the power, the energy in Ghana is because of the legacy and the vision of Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's leadership was not limited to this country. He made Ghana the shining star of Africa. That is why he was voted the African of the millennium, because of his achievement, his leadership role, how he propelled so many African countries to be independent.
Na enuachi ana honorable Emmanuel Amakofibu a wasadeta atobiem na wo kire se wo maga han mo ayetie enkwada tiem empani tiem ye pa yasene mo aye hu no ho efire se aban wei awura Ghana hu nyina ma se Ghana ya boto ya bose eto ekom de nkwada se sikasama yetare wikita 100 Ghana wosesa ya nasa ubetim da yeso kinsusu di ya omen ne nyina mo no aban wei ntime nya ho hwe na wonya simpia agina so a na woto Kwame Nkrumah da power bra Ghana han ma yeti amemwe ama Ghana for yebre.
On the other hand, what is the record of President Akufo-Addo? This is a president that has really brought us into debt. This is a president that basically has brought us into hardship, excruciating pain, and the economic hardship has never been unmatched. This is a president that under his leadership, we've seen corruption that is completely something that we couldn't ever imagine. This is a president that has divided this country. This is a president that frankly has bastardized every institution of this country. How do you compare that? We have five months into election. And I think that having been the vice president in a government that has done so terribly, Dr. Bawumia, his vice president, should be talking about things that brings Ghanaians together and how we get out of these difficulties.
Ani ayati yeyi eyelembele mrashe bedwani yera Emmanuel Amakofibu a ana wakasai.
Ye to akase ye bono so ani ye body awuramu Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe or ye vice presidential candidate. Sisi amekese no or den krata ba bonten akase kiremu se ana no brade twamin na ekita wonsa bosome no ne da na etoso nkron emfimpi mbiena du nunan mu ene ye wo no bowuramu okumase na ne o kasa wonde simpies no hotira kasabi no je no kasa sa no kirem so na danko Akufo-Addo Ghana man penin ni modern boy wo bo no hwesunsuanso obetena ba nwese Ghana fo anya no so mfa so a onisa so kra na mo Kwame Nkrumah no kra mpo na mo se ono ye Osajifo no mpo no enya ne science kwa na danko Akufo-Addo edimpia abandwa etia kwanwa isui okasa na o kirem se science mo na o ka ye no oyo no wankasa ne tirimupo eno ono wankasa na adwenkyira wo kire de fa na dankwa kufu adon afiri se wo hwe na dankwa kufu adon ne mode ba wa bɔ ne de a na nkomampani bi ne watena manga na banwa so a ɔyɛ ne size kura no kasa na wo kire me se ensem we na ɔka ye no we enye se ɔkire ɔjese obuaze omuo obinom enye atende no pese odidi Ghana amampanifo ahodo a ebede akonnwa iso kro ene wo kire me se Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no be na fam de wa bobra pa na nsem ye ɔka ye no enye atende no de ma wo nom ena afin so Ghana amampanifo ahodo abakɔ no so no enye ade a odi obi atem ebio nso ɔno wankasa na wɔfa na nkraba ko pɛ ne twetwo mutwo John Ajakumukufu nso ensem obi fa no wo kire me se obuni pa na nsem we na ɔka ye no enye ade a eye atende ni senti or the statement about bonten say Ghana nsem trafo yembom konkon se de ba ko ne ba ye ne kan ye magana de je nyina ti bi ne wenzu yanka na Ghana fo nyina ti bi say efiri ne kɔ ojino no angaza ne nsem o kan ye so e ka kire Ghana fo say ensem we na o kan ye no obi bia etwi no hu ne nsem o kan ye na ye ne fira masem e ya ten ye nti Ghana ya we ne so o wi anam ne yemfa nche firi say ensem we o kan ye no wanya na adwen se nkoka no de ati obi nti Ghana fo nyina emfa nche no krata we efi Dr. Matopoku Prempen oye running mate e de man people man yuko no omekwa akopre tezene abangwa kese we e de atena so na Ghana e jane matimi akoye de ma wonom krata we beto dwa ene eye kita wonsa bosum de toso wedu efimpe ne de nan abeto sese emrem ne ye we na de krata we e de pie montene so oko de free Opoku Prempa so ya ba no
se waye bone ho
wo say nsem na o kan ne de
on say tio wutie ne nchechire mu no a won wankasa de in his own personal conviction we who so I am from so was say Ghana for say I am from so
Ghana for say the kind one can ya
nti Ghana for na say okay nti akwa samaya obona kasa ha de wose mafom amepacha wo se mafom amepacha
okon o say nsema o kan on de ogina ono no hu se na dankwa akufu ado ne modern bone de
enti
ono ne personal friends observations awaye no hu ne say na dankwa akufu ado o mampani bia ne ho awaba sempuntu dwuma ene o man ho atawo mo ne bi nsi
Kwadwo sa leti ya papa di ba ye ho with all due respect we yanko amfama do you know why because sanka x-ray e wa han mo ye di twa papa no mu mfoni ehu ne ye mu ade a nothing shows say wonu no ho asem o kan no Kwadwo se si a otiwe wo sima fom me meti wona de menye me hu ntum sema fom wo no maba okay Kwadwo se wo sima fom a wo de me pa achaw se me ohu you see the statement o ya kan ni nti de make what you say sure. And it's all say would because Okogina nananemo himfo anim wo Western region ekoka say you don't retract anything, you stand by what you said and today na wo apologize anyway
say wakwatena say adwene wa hunu say eja esogu ni chemu no eso enti okon ebia na de wakan ebia na wonu no ho am
me kokromoti e ba ko pe Ghana fo nso de e ba ko pe enti enya ma Ghana fo enti ye ba sesi a
Hey, anokwase fix my ride adwumayekoi ama omanfo ebo premai etwetanga egu yeso okrom ha papa se eja Ghana ha wo mu ni abenfo a wo mu sisi accident cars man ye se car ya manufacture na neya wo mu bomode eye engine tuning overhauling body works oven spraying air condition service upholstery electrical works automatic gear box repairs maintenance and general car servicing bia se wo car dada anase asay na pese woton fra wo won beto e de amount sesia wo mu woton kai beto car ma free so your customer there and so the accident car ba on be mark afofo se etwi enu so free shesha fix my ride limited e chi kwan wo Accra Academy School no enchemu ho Odoko police quarters kwan no so Atiko Junction Goyo fuel station no echi Kaneshi Odoko highway one crime fresh 0303 944 880 0202 227 660 0540 556020 and our website www.fixmyrideghana.com. Fix My Ride, own the finishing.
Yes, I'm a Ghana for Kwaba. Now, Hans in Diodu, the Abano Seka Sebone demo papa, Ewa Dansuman, Atomic Hotel Yadase, Anna Bernardo Perez, was Seka Sebono, it is blazing inside Kede, Onsu Yadase. Anna Judith Ellie Blue Seka Sebone, loud and clear, or say keep the fire burning. And so Yadase, Papa, Anna Ofasi Hano Moa, DJ Ghana man, where your DLFM next. Ewo Betchley was say good afternoon, Okogyeabour and the tea for Kwadwo Sammy, as what to say, and was see news no Edemo Papa. Ewo eye Betchley antrese nya samo kotwa FM Image Sounds DJ Ghana man so be mu papa ana Akpelima Moses Kwaku ana o say uncle no wo fa se wo tia yen papa kasebo no edem ewa Polonia ye da se piaga wo di frachimasafo ana o say kasebo no ye fantastic pa apakai GH atena se latest from the world of sports 1 minute ye ba se ya makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso me yensam tronenti menya daje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya brani adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madansi die nie ma meni ntreo Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradie, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma mentre wo mo etchere kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Bay Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244 291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
DLFM 106.9.
Abusia enere mayen sama wa han sama wa kwa bamfamra DL 106.9 FM kasafidie so ene fiada ewia prem to breka sebo esumre redu se yesin kunya na gudie mo nso ensama hodo etwa gu na abusia ye jebre ne ye de beso Ghana de wa bibrem de na nkrofo close de latest any exclusives no na ya bobo ne nyina no andawie ye de eba beso me amede nsam na ba no edi ameje so no eya Yesu ano de share apa kanjih the blessed kinebusu antantam so a yenshe nsem na asem fama de yensha se emfom fi Ghana mrante esi akan wa manone na nansia na yenringa ye friend Ibrahim Osman ebu na ketem edifi boboko a ye friend FC Nordjylland ewo Denmark a wa be sign contract ediama Brighton and Hove Albion ewo my ye friend England na endra officially no oni boboko ye friend Brighton ashe pre-season training asia or prepare senebe next season no enyama ebeko ediama Osman Ibrahima eno so nsam no a yedi amao na Ghana under 20 defender ye friend nana Kwame Boache na osina kind ma Brekum City Brekum officially no wadwane Moldova Premier League side ye from FC Sheriff Tiraspol 3 years contract na nana Kwame akwakwa sign edi amabobo kwa ye friend FC Sheriff Tiraspol ye don some edi amao na uram Black Queens akachia omone Japan ema national team no friendly game bakwa omode boani na Azuma Bugri player edema Black Queens of Ghana or sisa friendly game omone Japan ekwakobo no ebeboa Ghana yepa na yetume hu the strength any the weakness ewo ye team no going into mano AFCON ayebabeko we ene nsema Azuma Bugri area tudwa yedi amount na endra na CAF ekoye draw no inti CAF Champions League any Confederation Cup no two teams ejina Ghana nemo no prelims no omen teams omoni omobebo uremo bobo ko efene Samates akachia omujina Ghana nemo CAF Champions League no omodi omani giem my efene Cameroon no omoni Victoria United FC akwakobo na urem nso atemana omujina Ghana nemo Confederation Cup na omoni Elect Sports FC omu featured ene de bebani Confederation Cup no mayere won komo edi atu anim Sylvester Simba player Eddie Madrid say we tubo ko efene nso atemanfo esanse last season dreams Africa ni bi omunim senate according to Sylvester Simba no se osi bobo ko efene nso ateman epeso mo modern so ani na enyama edi mo sene koye Eddie Madrid say dia more international friendly games na omunya international matches exposure sene be ya omko anyama ebetumi akoye edi amom Sylvester Simba na futua odi amabobo kwa ye friend enso ateman FC no a ye de won some edimam Kumasi Asante Kotoko or major players do draw na kwa momoko inti omuguso omo sign bi edi egum na endra officially no oma confirming say Congo omo center baka ye friend Ngodani Samba Gilbani O'Neal no oma sign on 2 years contract abrante babesia kan edi ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko na after omo ya announcement no ena Ngodani Samba Gilbani O'Neal no ono ankasa kasa o si nani age so officially no watumi adwani Kumasi Asante Kotoko oba besia kan dia ma o se Kotoko eye big team ti wanya akwanya oba besia kan dia ma o mide nani age pa former Liberty professionals omo player your friend Elvis Cheba for ono so eye ne medicals area ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko so pass medicals na Elvis Cheba for ebe sign 3 years contract edi ama Asante Kotoko enho ensem no sanso na Nations FC omo defender your friend Yimano Obuaine ono so Kotoko ne na agree on personal terms negotiations between Asante Kotoko and Nations FC neguso ekoso bibia tutodi India Asante Kotoko ebe sa sign abrantia your friend Yimano Obuaine from Nations FC no abesia kan edi amam Asante Kotoko eja omo defender your friend Yaya Dauni omeja ne kwan report eba any se Heart of Lions any abre se ombe sign Yaya Dauni na wababesia kan edi amama enwo nsam no Accra Heart of Oak officially no oma completed the signing of 2 players from Nations FC eno ya branch friend Asamoah Boateng na free or ya striker and Michael Ewuamensa defender document bi so omo sign no oma sign amrante babesia kan edi ama Heart of Oak enwo nsam no a yede atu anim ebusia yamfa fie seminsi na yenwura mu onkrofo nkrosu tewdia yensha siemfa fi ebibrem yendiem dan wada ena medebetu anim se Mamelodi Sundowns omu coacha your friend Rolani Mokwena no omone no apart ways na empenefo ne kan yeyiwu baby akobabi sanso na obi mpa obi pe inti officially no Morocco Giants are from Wydad Athletic Club aka Wydad Casablanca no omo appoint South African 37-year-old coach your friend Rolani Mokwena in the Rolani Mokwena and the coach Eddie Ama with that for the next 3 years you don't want some Eddie Ama na busumbia ska obejeno $74,000 so all the back currency this numa 1,139,470 cedis so that means 10.1 billion OCDs and a 37-year-old boy. Okwaje busumbia edi aguni botomo Okogyeabour ni meti no busumbia Rolani Mokwena ekwaje over 10.1 billion edi aguni botoma enwonsam no just Africa hwe teams sika omutua edema coaches na Dani Kavaya player edema Real Madrid o se wa catch Man City omu defender na midfielder your friend Rodri se baby edune de massa omra no mbebo Real Madrid team omu hia no ebeboa no enti omfi Man City na ombebo team your friend Real Madrid way any futua Dani Kavaya edema Rodri edewonsam edema Argentina forward your friend Angel Fabian Di Maria mena okase na ne contract on Benfica wono ebewie na so 1 year contract until 2025 no sign na watena de ama Benfica yede wonsam de ama ebusu nyina we so na agudie mu nsam anda wie yede besom no yemfansi edi ameje so no ayesu ano de hie Ocran GH the Blessed King Isaka o Ashama Washington maminchiao endewie okun ma yemfansi why Rolani Mokwena 37-year boy no
na Kotoko no aje
no ni Kotoko
no way
no Mamelodi Sundowns ewo South Africa
and to more Ghana
da be oni Ghana o coach 37 years young boy
and Okwaje
over 10.1 billion OCDs bosumbia
boy
edi aguni botomo yes
yo yeah ready number apakamo munyo
ebinim asu adwuma o
ana wo susu ya there rade
hey over 10.1 billion no the aguni botom bosumbia nya afio just 31 days anyway 30
nyam betre to maybe din enti abusia ka se gba no apaka di sisa no na chesi ebu ni ko mu ando no na Charles Mante and was say Ghanaians must call a spade and rebuke arrogance. Was say atrene de wintimi nka say so da debi atre na atre Sophie so na Sophie yen kan pain esim penifo enim na dwane dos papa enti yadas yo champion Kofi Taylor ana wode yen eko Facebook no eso na akenkan fo nso ye mienu edia mejeso gangster cat ya mite nkura Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi
enti abusua ye ko na ansa na ye bekro no mesre wada ene minua bi ni birthday enu nti na happy birthday en confirm Peter Toku Amankwa wo ye accountant ewo Donald Associate Chartered Accountants ewo Edum Kumase na ene akoye wa woda no woda Facebook no so kama pa enti Peter Toku Amankwa wo ye accountant ewo Donald Associate Chartered Accountants ewo Kumase Edum wey efiri o papa ene abusuane ho eye Mr. Ebenezer Toku Amankwa wo pathology department ewo Konfanoche Abaya Sabia ana wo ye senior presbyter ewo Bethel congregation ewo ehwa Medoma ewo Kumase wo se wono ene asore mane abusuane nyina ewo show happy birthday enti happy birthday goes out to you Peter Toku Amankwa from your dad eye Mr. Ebenezer Toku Amankwa pathology department Konfanoche and Osaya chairman at the Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana ewo Kumase Ashanti region enti yada se papa ye jira we so na ewia ye ensema hodo e de be so Ghana fo nyina se wo prem to breka se bo no ye de si ewa ha enti midi biem eye Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi
yada wo nyina se ama mo nyina ha akramo